Hello everyone. There was a very huge fall today in Nifty, Bank Nifty, Finviz, and as you know, like we already have predicted that way before on Thursday's video. I clearly mentioned that in Nifty 20,850 can come, and so I'm positioning myself accordingly, and so I did. And if you want, you can go and check the video. So there were only 4 days left before the monthly expiry, and we were expecting a huge move on either side, and so we position, and mainly I was bearish, so we positioned accordingly, and now you can see that the fall which came. Okay, so talking about our AI tools, so as you all know, like we have this AI tools to predict Nifty and Bank Nifty, today morning, like Nifty score started in the negative direction, but it was also going positive. Okay, so there was some anomaly there was some problem with the data, and I fixed it. And what happens is that, like, the day on which the fall is going to come, the broker's API or somewhere something doesn't work. Okay, so something stops working or suddenly something, so I changed the source, and so after that, like, things went smooth, and our AI predicted that the fall is going to come. Things went heavily negative, as you can see, like from 10 a.m. it score went heavily negative. The money flow score went heavily negative. Same was happening for Bank Nifty as well, and so as soon as I fixed like the data points, and things started going in the same direction, and our AI predicted the market, that is, the fall is going to come, and it did. So it was a fantastic day and a fantastic fall we saw. But yes, now what positions we took and what happened. So 20,500 PE Nifty bought at 55. So as you can see, 1032 we bought it. So as soon as I fixed my data point, so I saw that Bank Nifty is going heavily negative. The Bank Nifty score is going heavily negative. So this, our AI tool is predicting that some sharp move is going to come down. And since Bank Nifty has a high weightage in Nifty, so we went bearish in Nifty by buying puts, and just within 7 minutes. Okay, so things went more than 2x. If I would have kept this, so it would have gone 5x, 6x, but anyways, no regret. We already had our positional bearish position. So in Bank Nifty, which we took on Saturday, so this position, that is 45k, bought at 186. This went to 500 today. Still positions have not been closed yet, and and also there were hedging positions. So total, that is not the profit. I am going to discuss that. So now even in Nifty, we bought 21,400 PE. This is on Friday, and we bought it at 119, and today it's at almost 300. Okay, giving almost 3x return. And this 21,300 PE first Feb, we bought it at 92, and it went to 248 currently. Like, the average price of buying was 124. Okay, we bought it on Thursday, and then again when price dropped on Friday, we bought it at 92, and so the average price was almost at 124, and so it's giving a 2x return. Now let's take the example of 21,400 PE first Feb, bought at 119. Sorry. Okay, so 119. Suppose it's giving 3x. Now let's also make up the loss. So that is, we bought it in the ratio of 2:1. That is, if I'm putting 1 lakh in put buying, okay, where I'm bearish, so I'm putting 50,000 in the call buying. Okay, so we bought 21,000, we means so 21,800 at 84. Okay, so 84 to 86 rupees, and today closed it at 34 rupees. Okay, so now when I knew that the AI was predicting that the market, the data points are heavily bearish, so I clearly said here, that is, the Nifty and Bank Nifty positional option buying positions, removing the CE buy hedges. Okay, so I removed the CE buy hedges. Why? Because अभी तो कोई फायदा नहीं है. मतलब, our AI is giving us a definite direction, market is falling, so why should I keep the hedges? Okay, so it's in our direction now. So now what happened was, I closed it at around 34. Okay, so 50 points loss. Okay, 50 points premium loss. So it amounts to almost 61%. Okay, so let's take 60%. Now try to understand that's 60% of 50,000. So it's like 30% of 1 lakh. So try to understand that 30,000 is the loss. And if I have put 1 lakh in the put buying, so it's going 3x, means 1 lakh has become 4 lakhs. And now let's adjust the loss 30,000. So the 1 lakh has become 3,70,000. Okay, so that's the thing. So why we took the hedging positions? Because if market may go against our direction, it has happened earlier as well. So for that, like what happens is, if the big guys are also bearish, okay, they have also taken put buying position and call riding position. So now if market goes against them, so they will what they will do is, they to minimize their loss, so they will make long positions and take the market further up. So that's why, like, it would have the hedging positions then would have minimized, or we would have got an exit for no loss no profit. But yes, things went in our direction and we are getting a huge profit. Now let's discuss what's on the chart. So yes, if you want such analysis, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group, where you get access to these AI tools and also access to the Telegram channel. Okay, now talking about on the charts, like Nifty came down, and as you know that 21,525 is our level. And yeah, so I mean, it tried to take support there, but soon that support broke. Then again our next level was 21,412, and you see exactly after coming to that level, it was trying to concentrate near that level, and again it broke and it went to our next level, that is 21,238, and it started concentrating there. Okay, and finally ends there. So these levels all were discussed previously. You can go and check the previous videos. And now let's discuss Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, I clearly mentioned this, that is if you go and check my Saturday's tweet, so I clearly mentioned that Bank Nifty, we are forming bearish divergence with the RSI, and on the 1 hour chart. And when it's forming on the 1 hour chart, it takes a little bit of time. And now today you can see that the fall came. Okay, so yes, talking about Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty came down finally and took support at our one of the line of control, 44,901. Talking about Finviz, it came down, and so the Finviz trade which I was in, like 20,500 PE, bought at 55, like, which went more than 2x in just 7 minutes. So I closed it around here because there was this support 20,393 was support, so that's why I closed. But as soon as it broke the support, then it went to straight away it went to the next level, and 20,101. Okay, even if this level breaks, then the next level is at 90,906. Okay, and yeah, if my analysis are helping you, don't forget to put a like. And yeah, you can follow me on Twitter if you are not. And talking about FII's data points, they have sold in the cash. They have sold again today for almost 3,000 crores. DIs have bought, but very less. Now let's talk about the EOD data. So EOD data is suggesting that PropDex today, they have taken a huge short positions in the futures, and so they are expecting some bearishness, further bearishness. And talking about today's, mainly like what FIs have done is, like, they have done a little bit of put buying, and I mean little bit of also call buying. Okay, so talking about PropDex, they have shorted calls and they have done some put trading, but not in huge quantity, very less. Overall, let's look at the January month, what their positions are. So FIIs, they have like they are put buyers overall. And talking about the call side, that is, they are call writers. Okay, still they are call writers and put buyers. And now talking about the PropDex, they are put buyers and also they are call writers. They have heavily shorted the calls, and as you can see here as well. And so futures, again FIIs are now bearish overall, but still they have a lot of futures long positions as well. So temporarily I think they are bearish. And talking about Propdex as well, they are bearish in the futures, and even in the option chain, they Propdex and FIs both are call writers and put buyers. Okay, and that's the overall analysis. So I think I have covered everything. So yeah, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. And also don't forget that there is this Republic Day offer valid till 26th of January. So do take the advantage of it, and come and let's explore the market with the help of the AI, and let's predict it with the help of the AI tools. And yeah, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.